Hi. Are you looking for a trusted printer repair service Nairobi, Kenya? Need your printer fixed? Are your printers in need of a rescue? Get top-notch diagnostics device repair in Nairobi, Kenya. And also get a quick quote for diagnostics device repair at Vandeberg Imaging Supplies. We are conveniently located in Nairobi CBD, Odeon Cinema Taveta Road, Iqbal Building, 1st floor, room 2. Kindly contact us on our customer care number, +2547205568824 or +2547775556824. You can also reach us on our website www.vandeberg.co.ke or www.vandebergimagingsupplies.com. Thank you for watching.